Oh, I don't know if we're gonna do this one. Hey guys, Justin here, Street Stand Civic Garage. We're here with our raffle mobile. We blew a rod out of it in about lap 60, 65 of the race, and we actually have a nice hole in the oil pan right there, if you guys can see it. So what we're going to do is, this thing actually still runs. We're going to fire this thing up. My daughter's going to hold it to the floorboard until it completely pops, and we're going to put a new motor in it, raffle off the seats, and we're going to go again next month. We're going to see what happens. So fire it up. It didn't last long, guys. Try to do it again. Try to start it again. Try it again.
Are you gonna go again?
Let's see if it'll start again. Oh no, it's going to.
Oh, you said sparking. Do it, Smar.
We got a hole in the block, guys. It's done. It's not going to start. We got a nice hole in the block, guys.
Oh yeah, look, right there, shattered pieces.
It started like 4 times, guys, and it finally exploded.
All the shattered pieces.
Put all the pieces on the ground. That's great. So we're gonna get it pulled in the garage. We're gonna get a new motor, a new transmission in this thing, and have it ready next month for the next one. We'll see you guys next time.